Hey guys, this is the third and final of the boxes I picked up from Walmart. $11.98. You know the deal. So you get one guaranteed Blaster exclusive Prizm memorabilia. And then they give you the odds down here, numbered, but so far I haven't got anything numbered. This is hopefully third time's a charm. Maybe we'll get something numbered out of this one. Or a nice autograph card, that'd be pretty cool. Bryant rookie? Really? And Eddie Lacy Prizm Fresh Faces? Just my luck. Warren Moon and Monte Ball? Dry Archer rookie? Oh, the cheater. The Deflator. Boy, I'm getting everybody great, ain't I? Mike Wallace and Jordan Cameron. Next. There we go. Finally. Good rookie. Derek Carr. Mike Evans refractor rookie. Very good. Two good ones. Percy Harvin. Marshall Faulk. Hall of Fame running back. Here's my thick memorabilia. It's probably going to be another Dirty Laundry. Not numbered. Nothing spectacular. Be nice if it was. Allen Robinson rookie. Jack Ham purple, pretty cool. Oh, yes! For the win. Kadeem Carey. Thank you. Not numbered, but hey, when you get your team and it's a rookie and it's a patch, you can't beat that for the win. Ryan Mathis. So 2 to go. Very nice. McKinnon rookie. Purple James White for the Patriots. Mrs. Clay Mathis. Calvin Johnson. Last pack. Carlos Hyde rookie. Very nice. DeMarco Murray Gold Prizm. Numbered. Any number cards at all. Earl Campbell. Maurice Jones-Drew. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk at you later.